Okay, so next question is question number 25. A cyclist leaves home at 8:35. He travels 49 km at an average speed of 14 km per hour. Work out the time that he finishes his journey. So here we should know the relation between distance, speed and time. So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. So let us see here, what do we know? We know the speed. So 14 is the speed given here. Then the distance covered is 49 km and the time taken we have to find out. So do one thing, first take this time here, 49 by 14. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 3.5 hours actually. So 3.5 hours. So 8:35 was the starting time, added with 3.5 hours, it will be how much? 5 hours means, actually we have to convert this into minutes. So 3 hours means 11 hours. It's 11 along with 5 hours. 5 hours means 5 by 60. 5 by 60 is 1 by 12. And then it is actually 3.5 hours. 3 hours is 180. 180 plus this is 210 minutes. 210 minutes. So from 8:35 added with 210 minutes, it will be 8, 9, 10, 11 and 35. 35 plus 10. So it will be overall 12, 5. 12, 5. So we will have here 12.05 afternoon PM. Okay, next question. Next question is given here, 26, question number 26. Work out. So bod mass we have to use here. We know that bod mass is what? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So inside the bracket, subtraction and multiplication is given. So the first step must be 9. 3 3s are 9. Multiplication. 23 minus 9. It will be 12, 13, 14. 14 square. 14 square is how much? So it is 196. 196 is the answer. Question number 27. Draw a ring around the two calculations that have an answer smaller than 73. Smaller than 73. So actually we need not to do any calculation over here, but we should know that whenever we are multiplying a decimal which is lesser than 1 to any number, the product is always less than the actual number. That means when you are multiplying 73 with 0 point anything, it will be definitely less than 73. So this will be the first value which we are going to circle. Similarly, if you observe the last option, 3 by 7, 3 by 7 must be 0 point something. So yes, this is also smaller than 73. Let us see here. This is 73 divided by, I will just do this as 15 by 2, 7.5. 73 multiplied by 7.5 must be greater than 73. So this won't be the circled. And similarly here, if you see carefully, 49 by 10, which means 73 into 10 by 49. 10 by 49 is definitely 0 point something. So this must be less than 73. So these are the three options for 1 mark. Okay, there is one more question given. The diagram shows a scale drawing of a garden. I'll just show you the scale diagram. It is given 1 centimeter corresponds to 5 meter. A shade is going to put in the garden. It must be at least 15 meters away from side AB, at least 20 meters away from tree marked T. Shade the region where the shade can be built. So here first look at the scale given. 1 centimeter represents 5 meter. So 15 meters. 15 meters will be definitely how much? 3 centimeter. Also it is less than 20 centimeter, means less than 20 meter means less than 20 means how much? 1 5 means 4 centimeter. So what we will do here? So this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. What we will do actually, we are going to shade this to be put it in the region. Okay, we'll just check the region again one more time. AB is given here. This is AB. So at least 15 meter away from the side AB. This is side AB. Take a scale and measure a distance of 3 centimeter from AB. So if I measure from AB, let's say this is 3 centimeter. So this is that line. You have to measure it and do it properly with the scale. And from tree T, at least 20 meters away, 4 centimeter. So what we will do here? From T, take compass 4 centimeter distance as a radius, and from T you draw one circle over here, kind of like this. My bad. Draw it properly. So somewhere like this. This won't be 4 centimeter. You just measure this 4 centimeter. Okay. So whatever is the distance over here, you are actually going to draw a circle over here. The remaining region, they said, in between that, whatever is the region can be, we have to shade that. That can be the region for the shade. So this entire region in between that, not this again. Okay. So draw proper shading over here, and that will be the correct option. This is the correct answer. The next question. The diagram shows a shape made from 5 identical cubes. We can see here 5 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and one below this 5. On the grid, draw the elevation in the direction of the arrow. So when you are looking at this diagram in the direction of the arrow, what is visible over here? So this square will be visible from this side. You have to imagine that you are weaving this from this side. So this is visible, along with this is visible, and on the top this is visible. So you will be seeing 3 squares in such a way that this is your left square. Exactly, this is the right square, and above one more square. So we can see it as a side view. Draw a proper square of 1 centimeter on this grid. Okay, next question number 30. Here is a rectangle on the coordinate grid given. We can see here one rectangle given AB. Now the question is, the rectangle is rotated 90 degree clockwise about the vertex A. Work out the coordinates of image of vertex B. Okay, so when we are going to rotate this 90 degree clockwise about this. So this is AB rectangle. 90 degree clockwise means 2 times this, and a straight line you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just drawing it as if, okay, this is A and B is opposite. B will be this B dash of that image 90 degree clockwise. So what are the coordinates of B dash? It's here B dash. B dash coordinates are what? Y-axis -2, -2. So we'll write 0, -2. 0, -2. A and B are two numbers where A is lying in between 0 to 1 and B is greater than 1. So tick this to show each statement as true and false. So two conditions are given here. A is lying in between 0 and 1. B is greater than 1. If B is greater than 1 and it is less than 1, so of course A minus B is less than 0. So it's true. A square is greater than A. If it is lying in between 0 and 1, let's consider 0.5. 0.5 square will be how much? 0.25, which is actually lesser. So therefore it is false. A times B is greater than B. A times B. It is a decimal value, 0 point something. As I said, when we are multiplying decimal value which is less than 1, then the multiplication is always less than the number. So this is also false. And B by A, B was greater than A. Greater than 1. So we'll just say B is, let's say, 2. 2 is divided by 0.5. Is it greater than 2? Yes. So this is the correct answer. So first one is true, next is false, and then true. And this is all about October-November 2022 paper. Thank you.